Okay, guys, this is the chart of DXY. Okay, we start from the monthly time frame. Okay, so it's going to be a very quick one. Okay. I didn't want to waste much time, so I've already annotated the chart. Okay, from the monthly perspective, we see that price take out all those high. Okay, broke structure right here. Broke structure there, right? Okay. Then price went into that bearish order block. Then you see price is yet to create a lower low, right? So overall, I have a sell structure from the monthly time frame. But before that, I want to see some kind of buying from this two down close candle, which is the bullish order block right there, into that fair value gap. Okay, let me zoom in so that we can see that fair value gap right there. Okay, you have to ignore this week totally that is here. Okay, so you have to ignore this week that price did here. So we look at, there was a buying pressure here, there was a selling pressure. Then from the week of this down candle, the week of this up candle, there was a kind of void there. Okay, so price should come and fill that void before the sell will resume. And this is very objective. Okay, if you look at the seasonal tendency chart of the dollar index, you will see that the month of October actually is a buy month into November. So like the ending, the mid to the ending of November, we see some kind of selling pressure. So that coincides very well with that. Okay, so okay, so that's from the monthly time frame. Then let's go to the weekly time frame and see what price is actually doing from the weekly time frame. Okay, let's look at the weekly time frame and see what price is doing. Okay, so I need to reshare my screen. I'm actually using okay, so from the weekly perspective, I still have a buy structure that I want to see from the weekly perspective. In fact, like I said, I don't really want to see price take out last week low. Okay, I don't want to see price take out last week low, but if adventure it does, I'll wait for it to give me a buy signal from that bullish daily bullish order block, which we are still going to look at right here. So if you look at the momentum, the price used to break this high right here, then look at this. You can clearly see that this is a retracement. Okay, so retracement, then we should continue that buy to the upside. So then from the daily time frame, we have a breaker. Okay, then we have an order block. Okay, so price is right into that breaker. Okay, and is at the week of that order block. So actually want to see a buying pressure from here, much or less like a buy to this breaker, then a retest right here, then a continuation to fill that fair value gap right there. So price to retest this bullish order block. So I'll wait for Monday's price action and see what price wants to do. So if price takes out those low, and I'll be looking for total soup buy model to buy DXY to the upside, and that will be a reversal for Euro USSD. So Euro USSD, I want to see Euro USSD, I want to see price trade. Okay, let me start from the weekly time frame. I think that is clearer. Okay, from the weekly time frame, I want to see selling from this last two down, those two up close candle. That's the bearish order block right there. So those two up close candle, I want to see price trade into them. Okay, then before I now sell. Okay, so going into this week, I want to see price sell, buy into this bearish order block, daily bearish order block, which is also the weekly bearish order block. Okay, so for price to give me a total soup sell model, just as reverse in DXY. So that's simply how to go about your top-down analysis. Okay, you look at your chart from this indicator is actually a time indicator, so section indicator. Okay, so this is what I want to see on this particular chart. I want to see price fake out this and give me some sort of sell, total soup sell, okay, for me to continue to the downside. So I hope you find this insightful, guys. So that's how to go about your top-down market analysis. If you are looking at a pair, let's say you are not trading the major pairs right here, okay, and you are trading another pair. So the ideal thing to do is to look at the index, the individual index of those charts. So what I've actually done here is that, you know, if DXY is going up, Euro USSD will be going down. Okay, so you want to do a top-down analysis from monthly, weekly, and daily time frame. On Wednesday, I'll try to record a video for us on this top-down analysis, and I'm going to dwell mainly on the daily chart, and I'm going to go in depth, okay, into top-down analysis, how you are going to determine your premium and your discount PDRAs from the interbank price delivery algorithm, price dealing range perspective. Okay, that will give you a lot of insight. You can know when we are where we are actually in the dealing range of the algorithm. Okay, so cheers, guys. Take care of yourself. If you have questions, please drop it in the group, and I will attend to all those questions.